Hello everyone, my name is Mike Press from Nairobi, Kenya. I'm yet here to testify for you about great things MMM is doing. Mavrodi Mondial Money Box is indeed changing lives. It has been changing my life every time I testify here with a smile on my face. Here is just another game changer. On 28th of May, I requested for a financial help of 50,000 Kenya shillings. Amazingly, within just few minutes again, MMM system only matched me with one person who paid me the 50,000 Kenya shillings for free. I took 50,000 Kenya shillings. And this 50,000 Kenya shillings is a lot of money, especially at a time when Kenya is hit by great inflation. It has helped me to pay my bills, pay some tuition fee in the college. For somebody who is a relative I'm helping to go to college, I was able to pay the balance and even pay the upkeep. I'm also able to pay for the upkeep of my family, buy food, and do one or two things here and there. So MMM is truly changing lives. It is changing my life. And I want to appeal to all friends and relatives in Kenya. Join this game-changing community. At a time when our country is hit by inflation, there is a high inflation rates. The cost of food is spiraling high and high. The cost of living has gone high. And MMM is coming in handy to help elevate your life financially. Thank you and long live MMM.